Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Teams tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to open Microsoft Teams in the background. This is actually quite simple. First I open Microsoft Teams and find myself on the start page. Now I click on the three dots at the top right and go to Settings. Here we stay directly in the General category and under System we find Open Application in Background. If I check the box here, Microsoft Teams will start in the background. No further save is necessary. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!